Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you some of the best lineups for Sage, and this is just where you're going to want to throw your slow orb when you are attacking. And I'm just going to wait for the timer to go off and then I will show you. Okay, let's throw a slow orb. So I have to aim at this giraffe over here. I'm just going to press Q on my keyboard and aim at this giraffe's head and throw the slow orb. And where that's going to go is it's going to slow people over here. And I can also aim anywhere in the window and it will slow over here. Let's just go back and do that right now. For instance, over here, I think, I'm just going to aim my slow orb there, and hopefully it will slow people over here. And let's go to another map. I will be right back. Okay, I'm now going to go to the A site before I switch maps. Also, this is like my first time doing this. This is such a trial and error thing. Hold on, let me just wait for the timer. I'm just going to stand sort of in this corner right here, and then I will press Q on my keyboard and sort of throw my orb up here, and hopefully it will slow people in heaven. But this is trial and error. Yep, it will slow people in heaven if I do that. As you can see that it slowed people over here. And next is the garden. You can slow people from garden by standing here and sort of looking up, and I'm supposed to sort of throw the orb here. So stand behind this box and throw the orb to this edge of this unit where my crosshair is, and it will slow people from the garden. I'm just going to throw it over here and hopefully it will. Sometimes it doesn't work, but this is again my first time trying. Oh yeah, it does work if you throw it there. Okay, now I'm going to go to the split map and I'm going to stand I think over here, and I'm going to sort of aim my crosshair over here, and it will slow people on rafters and deep heaven. Oh my god. I'm just going to wait for the sort of timer to go off, and I'm just going to throw it here and hopefully it will slow people there. Again, this is my first time, so oh yeah, it will slow people over here on this part. And now let's go and stand in the same corner. Oops. I'm just going to stand in the same corner, and now I will throw it above this building line, and it will slow people over on the end part right here. I don't know if it will be, oh yeah, it will slow people that come into the A side over here. Okay, let's go to the B side. Actually, let me just wait for the game to stop. And I am going to go to the B side now, and here is where I'm going to throw it. I'm going to sort of stand over here in this corner, and I'm going to aim sort of for this tower, in the middle of this light. So just aim it anywhere below that range. So I'm just going to throw it about this much, and I think it will slow people over here if I'm quick enough. Yep, it will slow people on this side. And you can also again stand on that corner, and I'm just going to try to aim sort of over here. Aim in the middle of the right black building in line with the light. So about here, I'm just going to throw that, and I think it will slow people over here, up here, as you can see. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm sorry that like it wasn't the best because it is my first time trying these lineups, but I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!